Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can easily deposit money into your Binance. Binance is one of the largest crypto exchange in the world. Alright, so I'll show you step-by-step strategy. Once you log in into your account, then I'm going to show you, this is the dashboard on how you can easily access your dashboard. You can see this is I don't have any money right now on the dashboard. Then I will show you right now on how can you make a deposit to your account on Binance. Make sure you stick around, watch this video to the end, and if you don't have a Binance account before, the link and the referral code is down below this video. You can check the comment sections, you can check the pinned comment and the description of this video. You are going to see my referral code to use that code to register to get your first deposit bonus when you start trading on the Binance. All right, so let's go in right now with this particular presentation and video. So once you log into your account like this, you can see something like deposits, withdrawal, cash in. You can click on these deposits. You can deposit with various, you can deposit through buy with USD, buy with USD. You can go for P2P, but right now in Nigerian, P2P is not available right now in Nigerian using Binance. All right, you can go to deposit crypto. This particular one, you can click on it. All right, to fund your Binance. You can see many various wallets you can use. You can fund with BTC, you can fund with BNB, you can fund with USDC, you can fund with this WLD, you can fund with USDC. So just choose the the preferable coin you want to use to fund your Binance account. Let me just use USDT. Let me just use USDC. All right, so USDT to fund my Binance. I can use any exchange. I can use either BEP20, I can use TRS, I can use APT. Let's say I want to use either Binance. All right, then I'll just make sure to copy this particular wallet address, all right, that you are seeing on my screen. Then the money will be sent directly into my Binance account less than few minutes. All right, let me just try to copy this wallet address. I will just go to my Bybit account to withdraw from my Bybit. I can come to asset area on the Bybit for me to just withdraw to my Binance account on this video. All right, I'll just make sure to click on this withdraw button on the Bybit. So I just want to show you guys the experience. I can use I will select USDT. I will now paste the wallet address given to me from the Binance. I'll just paste. I'll try to select the chain. I will select BEP20. All right. I'll just put in, let's see, I want to withdraw $100. All right, BEP20 network. I can decide to, to fund with, I will not click on this confirm button. I'll try to click on submit right now. Using the BEP20, it will send. I will now put all my, all my code and everything. Then the money will be sent successfully into my Binance account less than few minutes. So this is a very simple way on how you can easily transfer money into your Binance account. Let me just do that in real quick right now, guys. You can see right now I have already sent the money. I'll just click on this confirm. Right now the money is being sent successfully into my the Binance. So I'll just wait for like few minutes for the money to just arrive into my Binance account. Then I will give you guys an update. Let me just go to my Binance. I'll be expecting the money to drop less than few minutes into my Binance account right now. Right now, let me just check. Right now, if the money is being successfully sent into my Binance. So, all right. So I need to just make sure to check. Right, can you see the money is being sent, is being appear into my buy. When you see, this is the $100. They charge me $1 from the Bybit. So, and the money is being reflected on this. When you click on this deposit, you see the transactions that was sent to me here. Let me just this is not the area to check the transactions. So let me show how to check the transaction that was sent to you. You're gonna try to come to this icon area. All right, when you click on this area, you see where they write something like spot trading. This is okay. Let me just click on spot. So you are going to see the transaction here that was sent to you. All right, when you click on, can you see transaction history? Then you see the recent payment. Can you see this is the recent? I received 99. They dropped it. They charged me $1 from the buy. From the Binance, and I received 99 USD. Right now you can see this is 99 USD. So guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button. Let's make money together in this 2025. In my next coming video, guys, I will show you how to trade on spots, how to trade futures market in my next coming video. This video just means how can you trade, how can you make the deposit, and I'll also show how to withdraw from Binance to any wallet you have, either Binance or Bybit. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye for now, guys.